10 multiple choice questions on the accounting equation assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity with answers by Accountancy. Hi friends, today we ask 10 multiple choice questions on the accounting equation assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity and give you 10 seconds for the answer. After counting down 10 seconds, you will get the correct answer. Accounting equation is the basis for preparing a balance sheet. It helps companies in preparing financial statements and ensures that a firm's assets are equal to the sum of their liabilities and stockholders' equity. Below is a list of multiple choice questions and answers on accounting equation to gain a better understanding for the topic. Question 1. Which of the following steps are used to calculate the accounting equation? Option A. The total assets of a business are entered in the company's balance sheet on the asset side. Option B. The total liabilities are listed on the balance sheet separately on the liabilities side along with the stockholders' equity. Option C. The total liabilities are added to the stockholders' equity. Option D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. 2. Which of the following is the correct formula for accounting equation? Option A. Assets is equal to liabilities minus shareholders' equity. Option B. Assets is equal to liabilities plus shareholders' equity. Option C. Liabilities is equal to assets plus shareholders' equity. Option D. Shareholders' equity is equal to assets plus liabilities. Answer B. Assets is equal to liabilities plus shareholders' equity. 3. Which of the following systems is the accounting equation based on? Option A. Triple entry system of accounting. Option B. Single entry system of accounting. Option C. Double entry system of accounting. Option D. None of the above. Answer C. Double entry system of accounting. 4. Which of the following transactions would be recorded in the accounting system based on the money measurement concept? Option A. The value of plant and machinery of a company. Option B. The health of the chief executive officer of an organization. Option C. The quality of a company's product or service. Option D. None of the above. Answer A. The value of plant and machinery of a company. 5. Which of the following statements is true about the accounting equation? Option A. The accounting equation represents that the sources in a business are not equal to the resources of that business. Option B. The accounting equation represents that the sources in a business are equal to the resources of that business. Option C. The accounting equation represents that the resources are allocated to the business at a cost price. Option D. None of the above. Answer B. The accounting equation represents that the sources in a business are equal to the resources of that business. 6. The assets which are convertible into cash or cash equivalents within a year are known as dash. Option A. Fixed assets. Option B. Current assets. Option C. Tangible assets. Option D. None of the above. Answer B. Current assets. 7. Any business event that is measurable in terms of money and can also be recorded in the account books is called dash. Option A. Assets. Option B. owner's equity. Option C, transaction. Option D, none of the above. Answer C, transaction. Which of the following items are considered as revenue for a business? Option A, cash purchases only. Option B, cash sales only. Option C, credit purchases only. Option D, both cash sales and credit sales. Answer D, both cash sales and credit sales. 9. Which of the following accounts will be affected by a transaction where the company receives from a debtor? Option A, owner's equity and cash. Option B, owner's equity and debtors. Option C, debtors and cash. Option D, none of the above. Answer, option C, debtors and cash. 10. Which of the following concepts means that the identity of a business is separate from its owner? Option A, going concern concept. Option B, business entity concept. Option C, realization concept. Option D, none of the above. Option B, business entity concept. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.